Hello everyone, welcome to another Foreigner Tribe video. This time we're going to be taking you to Lanhydrock in Cornwall. Lanhydrock is a magnificent late Victorian country house with garden and wooded estate. It is the quintessential country house and estate with a feel of a wealthy but unpretentious family home. Taking a stroll around the extensive gardens and enjoy their year-round color is a must. Marcus, you can fit inside one of them. 10 of these. Get out and about at Lanhydrock as a family with over 900 acres of parkland, ancient woodland and riverside walks to explore. There's definitely a lot of family fun at Lanhydrock. You can also explore the countryside. There is plenty to discover in the countryside and historic parkland of the estate. We went inside the house and explored the many different rooms. We got in for free anyway because of our National Trust membership. I highly recommend getting a family membership if you like exploring different estates and different parks. It's all worth it. Interesting for you, Marcus. It's okay, talk. Who's that? Gusto ko ng ganyan kalaking portrait dati. Gawan mo. Uy! Daddy! Daddy! Shh, over here. And, let me see. Oh, I like those bottles. It's a biggish bath. Oh, I like this bed.
the top. You can
Telecommunications room.
you can type on the
There were so many interesting artifacts to see that will make you feel like you've stepped back in time, which makes it a really awesome experience. Guys, I like this room. It's like a ballroom. That's it. There's only limited route upstairs, so this is the gift shop. That's it, guys. That's it, guys. That's our short visit to this house. There's not much to see. Well, they said on the review it's one of the best in the National Trust, but there's only just limited route inside the building. But it's free, so we might as well go inside. The gardens are really nice. So how was your Lanhydrock house?
It was good.
Visit?
I wish we had a big house like this.
Oh, how are you gonna clean a house this big?
Yeah, but since you got the house, that means you're rich. And since you're rich, that means you can get a maid.
Oh, all right then. What are you doing? You can put your backpack around now, Kuya. The garden is definitely our favorite spot. It is very well maintained, and all this, look at those perfectly shaped greens. We've definitely enjoyed our visit to Lanhydrock, and we recommend that you go for it and visit it whenever you're in Cornwall. And of course, we had some ice cream in the cafeteria to finish up the visit.